Santa Barbara Baker here, sharing with you my number one Ooni Koda 16 pizza making tip. I've been working with the Ooni Koda 16 pizza oven now for over a year, and I'm finally ready to share with you my number one tip. If you've been having troubles with your bake, maybe not getting quite as crispy as you like, the bottom not browning up, this should help you. My number one tip is giving the oven a full preheat, and by a full preheat, I'm saying go at least 30 minutes before you start stretching out your pizza dough. The Ooni manual says you're good in 20 minutes. You have your temp gun here, which I hope you do. Always keeping an eye on the temps. It may read you're good to go, getting over 950 Fahrenheit, but the oven itself hasn't had enough time to heat. That's what I've found in my use. You want to make sure that the oven's heated all the way out to the mouth of the pizza, especially if you're firing the larger pies. Allowing 30 minutes will get you a better bake. I hope you give it a try. It's a little bit, you use a little bit more gas, but at the end of the day, it's worth it to produce those beautiful pizzas. To learn more Ooni pizza making tips and homemade pizza making in general, check out the Santa Barbara Baker YouTube channel. That's where all my videos are. My recipes are up on santabarbarabaker.com. The blog on there is where you can find my pizza dough along with all my pizza recipes. Follow me on Instagram. I'm Santa Barbara Baker on there. Keep dreaming about pizza, living that pizza passionate lifestyle. I love you all. One love.